till now, I have filed my nomination for secretary, and all the posts the persons are submitting. The process is going on, and the process for the last time for filing of nomination is 4 p.m. So till 4 p.m. we do not know who are the persons who will be submitting the nomination. Till now 7-8 have already submitted. Rest are also in the queue. So I hope by 4 o'clock.
How do you feel being the BCCI reporting faith in you again? Likely, okay.
So after 4 o'clock or maybe from tomorrow when the final list will come out, then only I will be able to reply to your question.
Assuming sir, embargo करके बोलिए.
मैं ऐसे एक ही बोल सकता हूँ कि I have submitted my nomination because I was secretary for last 9-10 months. Before that I was a joint secretary. So my colleagues wanted that I should file my nomination for a secretary for a repetition because 10 months was not sufficient. So that is the reason I have filed it. They have reposed confidence. My Apex Council colleagues and those who have trust on me, they requested me to file this, so I have done it.
Okay. And one question, sir. What clinched the position for Mithun Manas?
Sorry?
Mithun Manas for presidency. What do you think has clinched the role for him?
So Mithun Minhas has also filed his nomination just in front of me.
Yeah.
So I do not know who else will be filing for the post of president.
But sir, उसका cricketing background that has helped.
While submitting their representations, there is no criteria for cricket background, non-cricket background. Everybody who has been entrusted or nominated by their respective state, they can file their representations. So from the representations or from the representatives, the persons who are in the list, final list, they are eligible to file for office bearers or to post of GC's post.
Sir, you are being very politically correct and legally correct. You can give a practically.
So you want me to pay non-political or non-legal reply? You want that?
Yes.
No. What I am saying is the correct position. So till now, Mithun Minhas has filed for the post of president. I have filed for the post of general secretary. For the treasurer's post, Raghuram Bhatt has filed. Just before me, Rajiv Shukla has just arrived. I think he is also going to file nominations. I do not know what post he is going to file. Then Arunji has just entered, so he will also be filing for some post. I haven't checked their nomination papers. Okay. Thank you.
सर कैसा लग रहा है आप नॉमिनेशन फाइल करने जा रहे हैं?
नॉमिनेशन फाइल करने आए एक जो है कैंडिडेट्स का पैनल तैयार हुआ इसमें मिथुन तो प्रेसिडेंट के लिए वाइस प्रेसिडेंट के लिए मेरे देवजीत सैकिया जी सेक्रेटरी और ज्वाइंट सेक्रेटरी रवतेज ट्रेजरर के लिए रघुराम भट्ट और गवर्निंग काउंसिल जो और एपेक्स काउंसिल मेंबर्स के लिए जो नाम तय हुए उसके नॉमिनेशन है तो एक नई बॉडी बन रही है अगले कार्यकाल के लिए
सर मिथुन
सबको शुभकामनाएं।
सर मिथुन उनका नाम आगे चल रहा है
देखो हाँ तो मिथुन मिनास के लिए तय किया वो प्लेयर हैं तो वो उनको अध्यक्ष बनाना तय किया।
सर वहीं आज देखा जा रहा है कि इंडिया वर्सेस पाकिस्तान आज मैच भी है तो कैसे देखते हैं सर आप इस मैच
तो भारत मैच जीतेंगे आईपीएल के लिए जो पहले अरुण ठाकुर जी थे वही आईपीएल